eCore is a smart technology company established in Virginia, USA in 2016. Adhering to the core concept of making your home green and smart, it quickly launched a series of eCore intelligent heat pump and AC systems. With its inverter technology and IoT gateway, backed by the top-notch research and development team, eCore Smart Heat Pump and AC system has revolutionized the US HVAC industry, serving hundreds of thousands of families in North America. eCore is also the first residential ducted inverter heat pump manufacturer of 4G-enabled IoT technology. Introducing the eCore flagship product, eCore TDI. It is designed to empower contractors with an intelligent installation experience. Its streamlined design and one-piece motherboard reduce visual complexity for contractors. It leverages powerful algorithms for precise system control. The eCore Automated Charge (EAC) with real-time charging status displayed, ensuring accurate measurement of refrigerant charging while eliminating the need for gauge or manual calculations. The eCore Smart Service Pro app not only provides step-by-step guidance throughout the installation process, and it simplifies maintenance even further. Once installed, the system seamlessly transits operation data to the eCore Data Monitoring Center 24/7 using 4G communication and enables fault detection and remote diagnostics. Another key product of eCore is the eCore RTI Smart Packaging Unit. The eCore Smart Packaged Unit works with the most commonly used footprint in the market today, so there is no compatibility issues. By using an inverter-driven compressor and fan motor, the unit adjusts heating or cooling output to match the exact demand of the occupied space while operating at lower speeds for energy savings, quietness, and reduced carbon emissions. The compressor's strategic placement and installation make it a breeze to address any issues that may arise post-installation. By installing the eCore IoT technology, contractors can unlock additional benefits during the maintenance phase, like prompt notifications of any issues or faults 24/7, demand response, and auto-recharge of refrigerant. Last but not least, both the eCore TDI and eCore RTI qualify for the Energy Star and the IRA tax rebate. Consult an eCore sales rep or log in to www.ecore.com today to learn more about what eCore can do for you and your customers.